Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Early Landside Slide Detection System using IOT ThinkSpeak Cloud. So here we are using early landside detection using IoT web cloud we are using. So there are 3 node MCUs. Each node consists of one sensor. Node 1 consists of DHT11 temperature humidity sensor. Node 2 consists of soil moisture sensor. Node 3 node MCU, it is connected to the vibration sensor. So let's go to the channel. Okay, there is a channel. In the channel, so temperature, humidity, DHT11 and moisture and vibration detected. So all those sensors data, it is updated onto the ThinkSpeak cloud. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED power supply board. Node 1 consists of node MCU ESP8266 with DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. Node 2 consists of node MCU ESP8266 with soil moisture sensor. Node 3 consists of vibration sensor. So must and should we have to provide the Wi-Fi hotspot internet. So there should be a mobile hotspot, mobile data, and along with the Wi-Fi hotspot internet. Okay, so let's start with the power supply. Power on. So it will show you the all 3 node MCU names. So ESP043859 and F7 F71594 and last one F59702. Okay, all 3 sensors are connected and it is connected to the Wi-Fi mobile hotspot internet Wi-Fi router, and it will updated onto the cloud data. Okay, so it is now the time is 3:18. Now the time is 3:18. Okay, so now I am going to insert the soil moisture. Now the soil moisture is 0. Now I am going to insert the soil moisture sensor to water. Okay, so now I am taking one dope stick. I am increasing the temperature. Okay, you can observe onto the ThinkSpeak cloud. Okay, temperature is raised 33. Okay, okay, vibration, there is no vibration, and the soil moisture sensor, it is connected to the water. Okay, so I am giving the humidity will update. Okay, so now 31 is the humidity. Now temperature is raised. Okay, temperature is raised to 42. Okay, so vibration, the LED should be off. When you click it, the vibration should on. Okay, so if you insert some salt into that, the value should be updated. So here we are taking the temperature data, temperature, humidity, DHT11 humidity sensor, moisture sensor, and the vibration detection. Moisture is also updated 321. Okay, so here is the, it is continuously update one by one sensors data onto the ThinkSpeak cloud. Through here mobile hotspot always should be on. Okay, so power supply, transformer, power supply board, and temperature, humidity. Okay, okay, and vibration. Okay, there is no vibration. If you click it, vibration should be on slowly, and the moisture detection. So all the sensor data should be updated onto the ThinkSpeak cloud. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.